Quick question. Do you know your job title, but you're not totally sure you deserve it? Maybe you've been coding for years. Maybe people ask you for help all the time, but you still think, I'm not a senior engineer. Not yet. Here's the twist. You might already be one. Let's find out. Being a senior engineer isn't about your job title. It's not even about how many years you've worked. It's about how you think, how you act, and how you help others. So today, we're going through the real signs. Stick around because sign number 5 surprises almost everyone. Sign 1. You stay calm when things break. Junior engineers panic when production goes down. Senior engineers take a breath, check the logs, and start asking, what changed recently? If your first move in a crisis is calm thinking instead of stress, that's a senior trait. Sign 2. You think about people, not just code. You don't just ask, does this work? You ask, will the next person understand this? Will this break something else later? Senior engineers write code for humans first, computers second. Sign 3. You say no and you explain why. New engineers often say yes to everything. Senior engineers know it's okay to push back. They say, we could do that, but here's the trade-off, and they explain the risk clearly. Saying no with a good reason is a superpower, and if you already do this, you're closer than you think. Sign 4. You lift other people up. Seniors don't just write good code, they make other people better. They answer questions patiently. They review code with kindness, not judgment. They ask, how can I help you grow? If people come to you for advice, even informally, that's already senior behavior. Sign 5, and this one's big. You care about the why, not just the how. Junior engineers ask, how do I build this? Senior engineers ask, why are we building this? What problem does it actually solve? You start thinking about the business, the users, and the long-term cost of decisions, not just today's task, but next year's headache. If you find yourself asking why more than how, that's the clearest sign of all. Sign 6. You admit mistakes fast and fix them faster. Seniors don't hide bugs or blame others. They say, that was my mistake, here's the fix, and move on without shame. Confidence without ego. That's a senior mindset. So, be honest, how many of these did you check off? Remember, seniority isn't a title someone gives you. It's a mindset you grow into, one decision at a time. If you saw yourself in 2, 3, or all 6 of these signs, congratulations, you might already be a senior software engineer. The title is just catching up. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which sign describes you best. See you in the next one.